guys, welcome back to my channel today. So in today's video I am going to be going over with you my Christmas tree and my centerpiece. So basically just my decorations that I have for Christmas. That's also why I'm wearing this hat, my Santa hat. I'm going to talk about the ornaments that I have on my Christmas tree and how I made my centerpiece. I hope you enjoy my video. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can watch all my videos that I upload, and also make sure to hit the notification bell so that you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. So let's get into the video now. So this is what my Christmas tree looks like. I decided to go with the colors red and silver this year. Most of my decorations, I got them from Family Dollar. The tree itself is a 6-foot tall pre-lit Christmas tree, and I bought that at Target. I got it on sale for about $50, and I also saved 5% off additional because I used my Target red card. These big ornaments right here, there's a couple of those. There's red, there's also red glitter, and there's the 2-color one, which is this one over here. And I got those from Family Dollar. They come individually. Also from Family Dollar, I got most of the ornaments were all from Family Dollar, like all the ball style ones. These little ones come in a set of 6 for $1. This was in a set of, I believe, 30 something, with a bunch of red ones in different shapes and different styles, and I believe that pack might have been $5. Then there was a set of this size, and this had white ones, these red glitter ones, silver glitter ones, and I believe there was white ones, and this was a different set actually. This was an individual set of the red ones. They come 15 for $1. And then there was this other set right here of this one and a couple other different shapes in different colors. So there's the other red one. This one over here, I had it from last year, and a few of them broke. They came in a set of 6. I don't remember how much they cost, but I was able to keep 4 of them, and I put them on the tree as well. These little bushes, I bought about 6 of them in different colors, and they were $1. These flowers came in a set of 3 for $1.29, and that one I didn't get it from Family Dollar, but I did get it from a dollar store. This one as well was from a dollar store, and this one was 1 flower for $1.29, I believe. And then these boot shaped ones came with these star shaped ones over here, and that was from Family Dollar. The tree skirt, I bought that from Family Dollar as well, and I believe that was $5. And the star at the top of my tree was from Family Dollar. It's a light up, battery operated. It uses 2 AA batteries. I did end up buying some more decorations, but it didn't all fit, and the look that I wanted was to have different size fall ornaments in red and silver. I ended up adding the white because I did have one ornament like this one, but little. Let me see if I find it. Over here. This lonely little guy. That's the only ornament of that style and it's red and white, not red and silver. So I decided to add the white ones to complement that one. But my tree is mostly red and silver. And that's what my tree looks like. So for my centerpiece, I had this Santa, which is actually a tree topper. He is the Santa that I used to use in years prior when I had a 4-foot tree. I didn't want to throw him away because in case I didn't have a new tree topper, I was going to use him again. But since I had a different one, I was just going to save it. But then I got this idea to make a Christmas centerpiece. So I basically took the original flowers. If you watched one of my last 2 videos, I showed you how to make the previous centerpiece that I had using this long vase and those rocks. And it had my regular red and blue flowers, but I found these poinsettias, which is more Christmassy. It has the red and the glitter, and then this one has the silver and the glitter, a little bit more Christmassy. So I got a bunch, 2 bunches of each one, and they just basically come with, you know, a couple of flowers on them. I couldn't find more, that's why I didn't get more, but you know, I just made it work with that. I also found this present in Family Dollar. I believe it was either $3 or $5. And I got the idea to just put everything together in my mirror tray and make a centerpiece. I had originally bought these pine cones to put on my Christmas tree, but once I bought them, I realized that there's nothing to hang it with, and there's no, like, you know, it doesn't have the little clip thing that you use to hang it on the tree. So I didn't know what to do with it, but I decided, I saw this, I had already put these things together, and I just threw it in there to kind of add an accent to it. Plus it matches with this one. And then I had also bought these so that I can have red and silver pine cones. This one I got from Target, and they come in a set of 8 for $3.99. So I bought 2 sets of these, but I only used 1 set in this because it wouldn't fit. So I just threw them on the tray, some in the back, some in the front. And this is what it looks like. Oops. This is what the whole thing looks like. Nothing is glued. The tray, everything is just sitting on the tray, because once Christmas is over, I can just take the pieces, put them away, and save them for next year. And that is basically my Christmas decorations for this year. So this is what my hallway looks like. And my door.